during last week I visited in Punjab, and Punjab is the automotive market. In Punjab, a lot of foundry industries are there, and they are manufacturing in locomotive parts, automobile parts from the foundry areas.
Right.
See, we Valgro are more focused on the flat sheet metal part, but this customer suggests us why you not help us to develop whatever our requirement. So this customer want this foundry part. They want to remove this parting line and also nice finish on this edge, and also they need to be grind this surface. So they are doing now Vibro machine, but Vibro machine is very expensive and tedious process and require a lot of time. And it will not grind the surface. It will just cosmetic look improved, but porosity and material defect it always shows. So some of area, these machines is very much suitable for removing this kind of the edge. And for this we have another flatbed grinder. So I can try and show you how this machine is work. This is another part. For this also we have the another machine. So this is just recently developed for this kind of the casting foundry line, parting line remove or some bar. Very nice and steady machine.
Yeah, and it's nice and accessible. You can get to the insides of the part as well as the outside of the part.
Exactly.
So it's nice and narrow. Yeah, good design.
See, each and every part are not easy to remove. So somewhere we have to use some semi-automation and some part on offhand application or some part in robotic application. Depend upon the company size and company's production activity. They can afford the robot, they can buy the robot with this kind of the tools. If small workshop, they cannot afford the robot, then this machine is very suitable.
I agree.
So, thank you Valgro for such a wonderful machine developed for sheet metal processing and offhand application, deburring and finishing.